Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace a front shelf support in your microwave oven, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the mounting screw to release the old support. Install the new shelf support by aligning it on the cavity wall, then thread the screw to secure. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the microwave oven should be ready for use.